All right, so that's it taken apart. So here's the blade. Of course, it's got like a rough edge. It was grinded by some kind of wheel or something. But it's got a really sharp edge for being out of the box. Like right now, I can feel that go through the top layer of my skin. Pretty sharp for being out of the box, but still, it's gonna need some fine work right there because you can see the grinding lines. You don't really want that on chisels or plain blades. Maybe on axes, but not on this. Especially for things that cut fine, thin pieces and shavings. So I'm gonna have to sand that. Yeah, pretty sharp for being out of the box, sharper than that 2-inch chisel.